In this experiment, we will compare the efficacy of an incandescent lamp and a compact fluorescent lamp of the same luminous flux. Install an incandescent lamp in the lamp stand. Connect the lamp to the mains supply via an AC wattmeter. Switch on the power supply. Record the reading of the wattmeter when it is stable. Repeat the experiment with a CFL. With the wattmeter readings recorded, compare the efficacy of the two lighting sources.